In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use collections in the Bitwarden desktop app. To use collections effectively on the desktop, you'll first set them up in the Bitwarden web vault. Collections live inside organizations, and they're the key to grouping and controlling access to shared items like logins, notes, and secrets. Once configured on the web, they sync to your desktop app automatically, so the structure you create here is exactly what you'll see there. Start by heading to the Bitwarden Web Vault. This is the central place where you manage your vault and any organizations you belong to. Think of it as the command center for the settings that flow down to your desktop app. Next, click Admin Console. This section is where all organization level controls live. If you don't see the admin console, you may need the correct role or a plan that supports organizations. It's normal for individual, personal vaults not to show collections. Collections are an organization feature. Choose New Organization. Creating an organization gives you a dedicated space for shared credentials. It's perfect for teams, departments, or even a family share. A clear organization structure keeps your desktop experience tidy and predictable. Type in the organization name, then submit. Use a concise, recognizable name so users instantly know what space they're in. Consistency matters. A good name now prevents confusion later. If your plan prompts you to confirm details, follow your standard setup policy and proceed. Select your newly created organization to open its vault area. You're now in the organization's workspace where you'll manage members, permissions, and collections that will appear in the desktop app after sync. Open the Collections section. A collection is a bucket for shared items and permissions. Examples might be engineering, finance, or support tools. Group items by function, sensitivity, or team ownership. This structure makes it easy in the desktop app to filter items and enforce least privilege access. Click New to start a collection. This opens the creation form where you can define essentials like a clear collection name and, depending on your plan, permissions and access scopes. Keep names simple, avoid sensitive details and titles, and plan for growth. Collections can be added over time as your needs evolve. That's it. With your organization created and collections defined, give the desktop app a moment to sync. You'll see your organization and its collections in the sidebar. And when you work with items on desktop, you'll be able to place them into the right collection for clean organization and controlled access. If something doesn't appear, check your sync status and permissions in the web vault.